Hi Sam. Are you ready for another exciting word today?
Hi Alex. Absolutely, what word are we learning?
Today we're diving into the word
Lage,
What does
Lage,
mean?
Great question.
Lage,
Can mean position, situation, or location. The most common use is for situation. Just be careful, as it can be confused with the English word lage, which doesn't exist.
I see. So, it's not a false friend, right?
Exactly. Now, let's talk about the grammar for.
Lage,
It's a feminine noun, so we use
die Lage,
in the singular. The plural form is
die Lagen,
So, how would I use it in a sentence?
you might say.
die Lage ist kompliziert.
Which translates to the situation is complicated. In the past tense, you would say
Die Lage war schwierig.
meaning the situation was difficult.
And how about the perfect tense?
In the perfect tense, you would say
Die Lage hat sich geändert.
which means the situation has changed.
Got it. Is there an imperative form for?
Lage,
Not really, since it's a noun. But if we were using a verb related to it, like
Lagern,
there would be an imperative form.
This is interesting. Where does the word
Lage,
come from?
It comes from the Middle High German,
Lage,
which also means location or position. It has been used in a similar sense for many centuries.
That's fascinating. I love learning about the origins of words.
It's like a little journey through time. Now, let's break down the word.
Lage,
Sure.
The word doesn't have a prefix or a suffix, it's just.
Lage,
But if you think about it as a whole, it captures the idea of where something is or how things are positioned.
So, it's like a complete Lego piece by itself.
Exactly. Now, let's explore some similar words. For example, with the same root,
lagern,
meaning to store, we have,
Lager,
which means storage or warehouse.
And what about other words?
Well, there's,
Lagerfeuer,
which means campfire, and,
Lageplan,
meaning site plan. Both use the same root.
That's cool. Any more?
Sure. There's also,
Umgebung,
which means surroundings, whereas a prefix meaning around. Then there's,
Lagerung,
meaning placement or storage.
Wow, I see a pattern there.
Exactly. And we also have
Lagebericht,
meaning situation report and
Lagerstätte,
meaning deposit or site.
That's a lot of words.
It is. Now, let's practice speaking. Imagine you're at a hotel, and you want to ask about your room's location.
Okay, what could I say?
You could start with,
Wo ist die Lage meines Zimmers?
which means, where is the location of my room?
Right. So, I would say,
Wo ist die Lage meines Zimmers?
Perfect. How about asking for the situation of a project at work?
I would say,
Wie ist die Lage des Projekts?
Excellent. Now, one more, you're discussing the situation in a meeting.
I could say,
Die Lage ist nicht gut.
Great job. That means the situation is not good.
I remember that.
Lage.
Is feminine. Any tips for remembering that?
Yes. Feminine nouns often end in, like.
Lage,
A mnemonic could be visualizing a lady standing in a specific location.
That's a fun image.
For usage,
Lage,
is typically neutral, but you might hear it in both formal and informal contexts. Common phrases include
die Lage analysieren,
meaning to analyze the situation, and
die Lage verbessern,
meaning to improve the situation.
And are there similar words to watch out for?
Yes. Be careful with
lagern,
and,
Lager,
since they relate but have different meanings.
Could you give me some example sentences using?
Lage.
Sure. Here are a few.
die Lage verändert sich ständig,
Meaning the situation is constantly changing.
Got it.
Another one is
in dieser Lage müssen wir handeln,
which means in this situation, we must act.
That makes sense.
You could also say,
die Lage war letztes Jahr anders,
meaning the situation was different last year.
I see.
And here's one with a preposition.
die Lage in der Stadt ist ruhig,
Which translates to the situation in the city is calm.
I'll remember that one.
Let's do a quick recall check. What is the gender of?
Lage,
It's feminine.
Correct. What's the plural form?
Die Lagen.
Right again. How do you say the situation has changed in German?
Die Lage hat sich geändert.
Perfect. Can you give me a sentence using?
Lage,
In the past tense.
Die Lage war schwierig.
Excellent. Last question, what does
Lager,
mean?
It means storage or warehouse.
Great job, Sam. You've really grasped the word.
Lage.
Thanks, Alex. This was really helpful. I feel more confident using it now.
I'm so glad to hear that. Remember, the key takeaway is to understand how to use
Lage.
in different contexts. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.
I will. Thanks for today's lesson.